Hello guys, hello and welcome. So I'm live with another SQL query. So in this video series, I'm helping you out with the SQL structured language queries, and we have very different queries. Like here we have our query, the list of city names from station. So this is basically the station table in which we have five fields or five columns like ID, city, state, latitude, and longitude. So this is basically the station detail in a single table. So what we have to fetch over here is the list of city names from a station table which have vowels I, E, A, E, O, U as both first and last character. Okay, so what they want to see the names of the city which start with the vowel values which ends on the vowel values. So again, there should not be duplicates. So this is the station table. So I write a query for this. I just simply close this. This is basically the comment section. So I just simply close. So this is my select statement. What we have to show? We have to show the city name, city, but not duplicates. So for removing the duplicates, we have to use this keyword, which is district city, right? And from which table we have this from station table. As you know, we have just only one table, station. Okay, so here we are where the city starts with the vowel and city name ends with the vowel. So this one we use already, like right city 1. We pick the from the right we pick the first value, and from the left we pick the first value in vowels like A, E, I, O, U, lower left. Lower mean like we want to pick the alphabet in lower, right? And this to alphabet in lower, right? We can change it like this. I don't want it. I just want lower. So if we change it in capital A, we will change it here lower to upper. So let's run this query and let's see how's it work. What it will give me. It will give me the city names which starts with, you know, starts and ends city names with vowel, right? So this query will return me this, and I'll write it over here, and let's make it, you know, comment. Okay, so this is for the multi-line comments, but we just use it simply. So this is my query, and let's run it, and I'll show you the result of this query, what it will bring for us. So now you can see it will bring E started end with A, E started end with E, A started end with O, E started end with E. So these are all what the starting and ending on vowels. So this is for today. This is for the query. If you want to find any city name or any person name which is starting or ending with vowels, like the person name is Ali, so it start with A or it end with I. So how can we find it? Give the name 1 from the left lower and right name from the right lower, right? Thank you for watching.